in today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the self-protection fail error code 4. Now when you encounter this problem, it means that you have some corrupted files or missing data on the application that you have installed. So the first fix is to simply restart your computer to confirm that you have the problem within the game files itself. After that, you then want to head over to the file location of the application. In my case, let's say it's this specific application right here, and then you want to run it as administrator. So I can just simply right click on it, click on run as administrator, and from there you want to make sure to check if that fixes the problem. If not, you then want to head over to the folder once more, and you specifically want to look for a file called online fix. From there, you simply want to delete that specific file, which is online fix once again. Unfortunately, my game isn't online, so I don't have that specific folder or file. After deleting that, you just want to get a new copy of the online fix. You can get this from the application where you downloaded your application from, or you can get this from the WinRAR or the RAR file that you get your application from. Just copy a fresh file of the online fix onto the folder itself right here, so you can extract your previous downloaded game. In my case, it's Stardew Valley. Open up that extracted folder, get the online fix, and you want to copy it onto this original Stardew Valley folder right here. Now we also want to try deleting another application called the Unity Crash Handler, so it will be inside this page also. You can just look for it, delete that, and basically from there that should help you fix the problem. If not, you can just go ahead and basically uninstall the application completely, download a fresh copy, and from there this will help you fix the problem, because most probably that your application is corrupted or have missing files. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.